We are again taking second session of our recently launched asset allocator profiler. We have named it investment suitability profiler, where you can basically do the investment suitability profile of your client and recommend asset allocation to him based on his risk profile and suitability. So I will start with the calculator. So you will get this tool in the membership section under investment suitability profiler. So this is the profiler. Here what we have done is we have given you a set of questions which your clients will respond to, and you have to fill those responses here, and then you can continue. We have given two options: one to download this questionnaire in Excel format and in PDF format. You can send this downloaded file to the client, and then the client will can tick their responses and send it back to you. And then based on those responses, you can fill in the response in the questionnaire. We are working on two more options. First, we are working on editable PDF file, where you can send the file to the client, and client can give the response on the editable file, and then you can import that file in the profiler directly. Or we are also working on to create a link. You can send this link to the client. The client can click on the link and go to the questionnaire, and they can fill in their questionnaire there, and it will be recorded and will be received by you. So this is the PDF file which you can send to your client. So now I will explain how this profiler work. Here you can write the name of the client, his age, let's say 37, and his investment period, for the period during for which he wants to invest. Let's say he wants to invest, his investment horizon is 5 to 10 years. Now you will enter the response of each question given by the client. I am taking some responses here. Now after filling the responses, we will press the submit. Once you press the submit, this tool will calculate the suitability profile of the client based on the questionnaire responses to the questionnaire he has given and his age. So his current age is 37 and his suitability profile questionnaire score is 75. So based on these two, his suitability profile is aggressive. And you will also get suggested asset allocation for the client, which is mentioned here that in gold 10%, debt 20%, equity large cap 35%, equity mid cap 20%, equity small cap 15%. After this, you have got three more options. The first option is that you can continue with the above asset allocation if you feel, and as per your discussion with the client, that this asset allocation is good for him. You can suggest this asset allocation to him, or you can edit this asset allocation by clicking this option, wherein you can change this asset allocation. Say your client is a bit conservative and you want to decrease the allocation to equity, you can decrease here and you can raise the asset allocation to debt. And third option is create your own asset allocation, wherein you do not want to follow this asset allocation. You want to create your own asset allocation and suggest it to the client. That can also be done. So I will explain all these three options one by one. First, I will continue with the above asset allocation. Press the next button. So I will get these options. Display past performance of suggested asset allocation. If you check this box, then you get the past performance of this suggested asset class. That is gold, last 1 year return is this, last 3 year return is this, debt, last 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year return is this. Likewise, the past performance of all five asset classes will be displayed. Along with this, the asset allocation which we are suggesting to the client, the performance of that suggested portfolio for past 1, 3, 5, and 10 years is also displayed. So this basically means if someone had invested in this asset allocation 10 years ago, you had have generated a return of 6.55%. Now the second option is display calendar year wise return. If you want to display calendar year wise return to the client, then if you check this box, you will get calendar wise performance of all these five asset allocation classes. 2010 में उसका रिटर्न क्या था, 2011 में क्या रिटर्न था, ईयर वाइज परफॉर्मेंस आ जाएगी यहाँ पर. Now you get the option to suggest the product to the client कि gold में where he should invest, in debt where he should invest. You can select the product to the client by checking this box. So here you have to type the expected investment amount by the client, say it's 25 lakhs. So based on the above asset allocation, this will calculate that in gold he needs to invest 2,50,000. You can go and check that in gold he needed to invest 10% and in debt he needed to invest 20%. So 10% of 25 lakhs, that is 2,50,000 he need to invest in gold. In debt he need to invest 20% of 25 lakhs, that is 5 lakh rupees. Likewise in equity large cap, in equity mid cap and equity small cap. ये अमाउंट यहाँ पे आ जाएगी. नाउ इच एसेट क्लास के अंदर में आप उनको प्रोडक्ट सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि उनको गोल्ड में 2.5 लाख इन्वेस्ट करना है, तो आप किस प्रोडक्ट में उनको इन्वेस्ट करने सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं वो आप यहाँ से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ऐड प्रोडक्ट पे हम क्लिक करेंगे. यहाँ पे हमने कुछ प्री डिफाइंड प्रोडक्ट के नाम दे दिए हैं. उसके अलावा हमने एक अदर ऑप्शन दिया है कि आप जो प्रोडक्ट सजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं अगर उसका नाम यहाँ पे नहीं है तो आप अदर्स पे क्लिक करके उस प्रोडक्ट का नाम इंटर कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप कोई म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम क्लाइंट को सजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं गोल्ड में, तो आप म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम सेलेक्ट करके वो स्कीम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे सपोज कीजिए कि आप 2.5 लाख क्लाइंट को सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप सॉवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड में 2.5 लाख इन्वेस्ट कर दीजिए. यहाँ पे अगर ये ग्रीन हो गया, इसका मतलब ये है कि इस एसेट क्लास के अंदर में जितना अमाउंट उनको इन्वेस्ट करना था उतना आपने एंटर कर दिया है. अगर सपोज कीजिए कि आपने यहाँ पे कंप्लीट नहीं किया है वो अमाउंट, तो ये रेड रहेगा. तो ये आपको हेल्प करेगा जब आप 4, 5, 6 प्रोडक्ट सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं क्लाइंट को किसी एसेट क्लास में, तो यहाँ से आपको ये दिख जाएगा कि आप जितना अमाउंट रिक्वायर्ड है उतना आपने इंटर किया है कि नहीं. नाउ again we can move on to next product, which is debt. In debt he has to invest 5 lakhs. So here you can select the product and recommend to the client. Let's say you are suggesting him to invest 2 lakhs in RBI bond. See, here it is red because we have not completed 5 lakhs. And say you want to suggest him to invest in some other product which is not mentioned here. So let's say we select under other. You can type the name here. Let's say PPF. You want to suggest him to invest 1 lakh in PPF. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do add product. First, we have selected 2 lakhs in RBI bond and we have suggested PPF 1 lakh rupees. So total 3 lakh is done. Now the balance 2 lakh we want to suggest him to invest in, say, we will select some mutual fund schemes. Here you can type the name of the scheme, HDFC Medium Term Debt Fund. We have, you want to suggest him 1 lakh to invest here, and you want to select another mutual fund scheme where you want to suggest him. Let's say here it is very, we have given very good search option. Say you want to suggest ICICI Pru All Seasons Bond Fund. So you can, if you type ICICI All Season, this will come. And you want to suggest him. Say by mistake you entered 1.5 lakh here. So this is still green because the amount is more than 5 lakhs. So you can check whether you have done the right calculation or not. So we suggested 1 lakh to in ICICI Pru Seasons Bond Fund. Now we move on to next product, equity large cap. He has to invest 8.75 lakhs. You can suggest the product here. Say, in equity, you want to suggest him, say, to invest in, you want to suggest him to invest in Reliance. So you can select other option here and you can type Reliance Industries. And you are suggesting him to invest at 2,75,000 in Reliance Industries. And now you want to suggest him some mutual fund schemes. So you can go select mutual fund schemes again in large cap. So since you can type in any scheme name, it will come here. Or if you are particular about large cap only, then from here you can select equity large cap. And here the schemes will come. Say you are suggesting him Birla Frontline Equity. Again, I made the same mistake. Say you want to suggest him 3 lakhs in Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity and say 3 lakhs in Axis Blue Chip. And you want to suggest him to invest in Reliance Industries, the balance amount. 2,75,000. So this becomes 8.75 lakhs. Likewise, you can select in equity mid cap also and equity small cap also. And if you do not select any product, that if you are not suggesting in any product under equity mid cap, in the report it will simply show equity mid cap as 5 lakhs. I will show you how. So I am not selecting any particular product under equity mid cap and equity small cap. Now we move on to next. Once you proceed, you get one more option here, display mutual fund scheme performance. Since we have selected some mutual fund schemes here, so you will get this option that whether you want to display the performance of these mutual fund schemes as well or not. If you select ticket, you will get the performance of these mutual fund schemes which have been selected. And if you want to add some comment, you can type your comment here. It allows you to insert up to 2000 characters. And now we will view the report. So this is the report. We will download it. So here is the report. First, you will get investment suitability profile questionnaire. Here, the client name, his age, and investment horizon will come, and the response to all the questions selected by him will come along with all the options. Now, on the next page, you will get that what is his investment suitability profile. It is aggressive, and this is the suggested asset allocation. Next page, you will get past performance of the suggested asset class and year-wise performance of the suggested asset class. Then this is the suggested product-wise allocation. In gold, he had to invest 2.5 lakhs and we suggested him sovereign gold bond. In debt, he has to invest 5 lakh. Under this, we suggested him PPF 1 lakh, RBI savings bond 2 lakh, SDFC medium term 1 lakh, and ICICI Pru all season 1 lakh. In equity large cap, we suggested him to invest in Aditya Birla Frontline Equity, Axis Blue Chip, and Reliance Industries. In equity mid cap and small cap, we didn't suggested any product, so it will come like this only: equity mid cap 5 lakhs and equity small cap 3.75 lakhs. The next page, you will get the performance of all the mutual fund schemes which has been suggested: HDFC medium term, ICICI Pru all seasons, Aditya Birla Frontline, and Axis Blue Chip. All these 4 schemes were selected in the suggested asset allocation. And next page, you will get the comment. So this is what the report will come. Now we will move on to second option. So this was the responses to the questions, and we submit it. We get his suitability profile and suggested asset allocation. Now the second option says, if you want to edit this asset allocation, you can edit this allocation. So if you click on edit button, see this field becomes editable. So if you want to say reduce the allocation to large cap to 30% and small cap to 10%, and see here again you are getting this total amount, so it means the total of this is 90%. You have to increase 10% more. So and you want to increase the allocation to debt to 30%. Now this becomes 100. So this is the asset allocation which we edited, and this asset allocation we want to suggest to the client. So after changing the asset allocation here, we move on to next. Now you will get the same options as we have got earlier in option 1. Whether you want to display past performance of suggest asset class, you check this box, it will be displayed. Say in this report, I do not want to suggest calendar year, I do not want to display calendar year wise returns, so I will not check this box, and I want to suggest some product to the client. So the same process we may continue, and I am not selecting any product wise detail. I am just entering the total amount here, and we go to next. See here we have not selected any mutual fund scheme, so you will not get the option to display performance of mutual fund schemes. And now if you want to add the comment, you can add the comment. Now we will view the report. So this is the report will come like this. And this is the first 2 pages will be the questionnaire and the response. This page is, second page is that his suitability profile is aggressive, and this is the suggested asset allocation. This suggested asset allocation will come which is as per the simulator. So this was the asset allocation suggested by the simulator, and the next page you will get the modified asset allocation. So based on our personal interaction with you, we suggest the following asset allocation. So here we will get the modified asset allocation, and past performance of suggested asset class. In this report, we have not selected calendar year-wise return, so it will not come. We have not suggested any specific product, so specific product names will not come. It will simply come like this: total investment amount and the amount under each asset class which needs to be invested. And since we have not given any comment, so the comment page will not come. So this is how the second option works. Now we will move on to the third option. So this was the response we have entered and we submitted. Now this is the asset allocation as suggested by the simulator, and we do not want to suggest this asset allocation to the client. We want to create our own asset allocation. In that case, we will select this option, create your own asset allocation. Here we will get the option to enter the asset class and the respective percentage, how much you want to suggest to invest in that asset class. Again, here we have given some predefined asset class names, and if you find that any asset class you want to suggest to the client which is not displayed here, you can press the other button and select that asset class. Now say you want to select gold, and under gold you want to suggest the client to invest 10% in, say, fixed income. You want your client to invest, say, 40%, say, in equity large cap. You want him to invest, say, 30%, equity mid cap, say, 10%, 90%. We are still left with 10%. So now you want to suggest him asset class which is not mentioned here. Let's say you want to suggest him REIT, real estate investment trust, which is not mentioned here. So you can select others, and you can type in the asset class, and you can mention the percentage. So this is how this asset allocation works, and you can move to next. Now here you will only get the option to suggest the product, because we have not given the two options of displaying the past performance of the asset class here, because as a manufacturer we do not know which asset classes you will select here, and the returns past, the past returns of those asset classes will not be available. So we have not given that option. Here you can directly now suggest the product to the client under each asset class. Say you are suggesting the client to invest 50 lakhs. So automatically based on this asset allocation, you will find under gold he has to invest 5 lakh, under fixed income for 20 lakhs, under equity large cap 15 lakhs, under equity mid cap 5 lakhs, and under REIT 5 lakhs. Now under each asset class, if you want to select the product which you want to suggest the client, you can add the product from here. So say under gold, you want to suggest him to invest in sovereign gold bond 3 lakh rupees, and in, say, in a gold mutual fund scheme, you want to suggest him to invest 2 lakh rupees. Now moving on to fixed income. Again, you can select from any predefined products, or you can create your own product, or you can select any mutual fund scheme. Say you want to suggest him to invest in RBI savings bond 5 lakhs, in the bank FD 5 lakhs. So now you want to suggest him some mutual fund schemes. So you select mutual fund scheme, and you can type here ICICI All Seasons Bond Fund, say 5 lakhs. Again, you want to suggest him another mutual fund scheme, say Kotak Low Duration. You want to suggest him to invest 5 lakhs in Kotak Low Duration. Same way, you can select for equity large cap, equity mid cap, and REIT. Say in REIT you want to suggest him, see, there's no particular option for REIT. You want to suggest him to invest in, say, Embassy REIT. So you can type in Embassy REIT 5 lakhs. So we have made this very flexible. Either you can select from the given asset classes, given products, you can also type in your enter your own product if that product is not predefined, or you can select any mutual fund schemes also. So this completes our product selection. So we will move next. Now see, here it comes, display mutual fund scheme performance. See, since we have selected two mutual fund schemes here, so we get this option. If you want to display the performance of these schemes, we will check this box. The performance of mutual fund schemes will come. And if you want to add the comment, you can add your comment here. Since we have selected the change the asset allocation, which was defined by the simulator, so we can type in here that as per discussion with you, as per discussion with you, we have changed the asset allocation, and we will view the report. You can type up to 2000 characters. So here is the report. First two pages will be the questionnaire. Third page will be the asset allocation as suggested by the simulator. Next page will be the asset allocation as you have modified it, and the asset allocation modified by you will come here. Gold 10%, fixed income 40%, equity large cap 30%, equity mid cap 10%, and REIT 10%. And here you will get the product wise asset allocation. In gold, out of 5 lakhs, we suggested him to invest 3 lakh in sovereign gold bond, and in Aditya Birla Gold Fund, 2 lakh rupees. Same likewise in fixed income, out of 20 lakhs, we suggested him to invest in these products. In equity large cap, we didn't specify any product. In mid cap also, we didn't specify any product. And in REIT, we suggested him to invest in Embassy REIT. And in the last, since we have selected to display the performance of mutual fund schemes, the performance of selected mutual fund schemes will come here. And in the last, in the comment box, your comment will come. So this is what completes the third option. So we have tried to make it as much flexible as we can, and uh, we are so now. If you have any query, if you have any suggestion, you can definitely discuss the same with me, and I will be happy to answer you, and will be very happy to take your feedbacks and suggestions.